Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is a very short demonstration video just to show you guys how we can basically see uh, the content of an ESP packet. So this should not be configured on a production network because this we're gonna basically the process is to remove the encryption uh, and leave the authentication of the packet. Um, so for this purpose, I am using DMVPN tunnel. So basically, this is my DMVPN hub. And these are some that we're gonna look at. For this demonstration, I have configured everything. The hub is configured as well as the spokes are configured, and I took some uh, packet capture on this guy. This is where I have my Wireshark, and we're gonna look at some captures. So yeah, so before we start looking at the packet capture, just have a look at the config of our scope, hub. So my hub is configured with tunnel 100. Just show you the config for tunnel 100. We have IPsec protection on it, and if we look at config for IPsec, we will see that we have this transform set that I have applied to my IPsec profile. So basically the difference between this transform set and this transform set is that it's using the AES encryption, but the transform set that I'm using, it's not using any encryption. So this is how we will be able to see what's inside ESP packets. So this can be used to troubleshooting issues or just for learning purposes. Same as me, I'm learning for my CCNP, so I just thought to make a quick video just to show you guys if you're like me and just for your exams. So let's have a look at the router. So there won't be much difference in the crypto config on the hub and spoke. If I look at this one, it's basically similar. And just a quick note for DMVPN, the recommended mode is not tunnel, it's transport, because tunnel will add 20 bytes of IP header. So there are some particular uses where you want to use the tunnel mode, which I'm not gonna go into detail, but just in general we will be using a transport mode of with IPsec. So yeah, just going into the detail of this one, we have ESP packet transform set with ESP NULL encryption. So for this demonstration, I took a packet capture. Sorry. So I took this packet capture, and we will see the packet capture in detail just now. If I head back to my server, this is where I'm basically sending my packet captures are. So if we go back to this, so this is the packet capture that I took with no encryption. So we're gonna look at one of this. So let's open this one. So this one is already encrypted. So let's check. Sorry, decrypted. So basically, if this packet is encrypted, we go to edit and then go to preferences and then look at our ESP protocol. And if we look at this one, this option, this is the reason I put NULL encryption there. And if I uncheck this one and then click on OK, you'll see that you won't see anything in ESP because encryption is there. Although it's null, it's still, you know, generally packet capture won't show you the content of ESP. So you have to just either you can go to preferences or you just go here and protocol preferences and attempt to decode now. So then now we can see it. So basically this is a transport mode. You can see that there is only a GRE header here, IP header here, and it's in GRE encapsulation, and then we have our ESP, and then we have our outer IP header. But if it was a tunnel mode, then we would have seen whole of this packet. Would have seen this ESP would have come here, and we would have seen another IP header on top of ESP. So basically this whole thing we would have seen another IP header here between ESP and GRE. Oh, sorry. Yeah, ESP and GRE. And then on top of this, in this. So this is just a basic demonstration. We were not going into the details of anything. Just basically to show you, if you're learning or if you're troubleshooting anything, or if you are working on any solution that requires you to check the look at the content of ESP packet, this is how you do it. But you should not be using this in production network because it's not secure. It defeats the whole purpose of applying IPsec encryption. I hope you like this video. If you like it, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, give us your suggestion what we can do next. Thank you all.